Hi there, this is Mr. Boyd. Today, we are going to talk about how to share files with Nearby Sharing feature on Windows 10. Nearby Sharing is a feature that allows you to share files, but not folders, and links to other nearby devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Okay, let's begin. To enable Nearby Sharing on Windows 10, open Settings, click on System, click on Shared Experiences. Turn on the Nearby Sharing toggle switch. After you complete the steps, you can proceed to share files with other devices. You must repeat these steps on all the devices participating in the sharing process. To share files with other devices with Nearby Sharing, open File Explorer. Browse to the folder with the files you want to share. Right-click the file and select the Share option. Select the device to share the file. Once you complete the steps, on the other device, you should see a notification that you must confirm to complete the transfer. The file will download and store in the Downloads folder. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.